What's up guys, we're looking at Paradise today by George Ezra. This is a really fun song to play, nice and simple. We got the capo on fret 4 for this song. Okay, see that 1, 2, 3, 4, alright. Now, this whole song, we don't have many chords. It's basically just G, and we have D, and then sometimes C, okay. There's a few others that pop in, but let's just learn these quickly. If you know them, skip ahead, and then I'm going to break down the song from start to finish, alright? So, the first chord, G. This is our main chord for the whole song. We play this a lot, alright? So, from the capo 3rd fret, we have middle finger on the E string. Then on the A string, the 1st finger, 2nd fret. Then we're going to have open D, open G, then 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the B string. 4th finger, 3rd fret on the E string, okay? There's our main chord. Then we go to D. Okay, so for D, we have open A, open D. Then 1st finger is 2nd fret on the G string. 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the B string. Middle finger, 2nd fret on the E string, okay? We have C. Now for C, we have 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the A string. Middle finger, 2nd fret, D string, open G. 1st finger, 1st fret, B string, open E. Okay, so just take your time, pause the video on each of these chords, look at the diagrams until you got them down, alright? Let's start with the intro. The intro is just G for 4 bars, right? So take a look at my strumming hand as well, okay? Because I'm essentially just playing down, 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 down. But I'm not just strumming loudly, okay? You'll notice that my right hand is against the strings, just here, because it makes it soft. You hear that? That sounds soft because my hand is on the strings. It's kind of stopping the vibrations a little bit, right? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, my love. Oh, I'm whenever I'm with you, my love. Okay, so we're gonna have this G twice, then D once, then G once, okay? The rhythm's always the same, but the second half of the verse, I want us to add in a hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let me just play the whole verse for you just so you know what I mean, okay? So my love, I'm in paradise whenever I'm with you. My mind, I'm in paradise whenever I'm with you. Right on. Now we add the hit in. It's long. It's a mighty long road. I'll be there. Okay. So we basically have 2 verses there. The first one's just down, 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 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then if you want to, we can add a hit. Then we get into the pre-chorus. Now, for the pre-chorus, we can have C to D to G, and we do that twice. Okay, so it's gonna sound like this. I know you heard it from those other boys, but this time it's real. It's something that I feel, and I know you heard it from those other boys, but this time it's real. It's something that I feel, and okay, so again we have this. Ooh, down, down, slap, down, 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 down. Okay, then for the chorus, we can just play really loudly. Just it's still down, down, down. Of course, we have D to C. Okay, so it's backwards this time. G, G, and then we do it again. D, C, G. Okay, so it's gonna sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it feels like paradise running through your money, then you know I love heading your way. If it feels like paradise running through the money, then you know it's heading your way. My love. Back into verse 2, right? So again, all I was doing was just down, 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 down. Nice and simple. Okay, then we have this. So that's G, A minor, C. Okay, now A minor, I've not shown you yet. So let me just cover that quickly. If you don't know this chord, we just play open A, middle finger, second fret on the D string, third finger is second fret on the G string, first finger is first fret B string, open E, okay? So again, pause the video, practice this chord. Alright, so right at the end we do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so coming out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever I'm with you. So verse 2, we have this D chord twice, which is a little weird. It kind of goes on longer than your brain wants it to. So on my time, on my time, on it's a never-ending helter-skelter. We'll be out whatever the weather. Do you hear that? I stayed on the D for 2 bars. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's 5 bars. It's odd, but that is what happens. Okay. Then it's the same thing for the second half, but this time it's just back to normal. Okay. Now we get to the second pre-chorus, which is exactly the same as the first pre-chorus. All right. So I know you heard from no other boys, but the girl is real. It's something that I feel, and I know you heard from no other boys, but this time is real. It's something that I feel, and okay. Then we have the second chorus, which is again, it's exactly the same. All right. So we have some repetition here. We have another chorus. So let me clarify. After the second chorus, we have this thing twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paradise, hold on, hold on. Leave me there, hold on, hold on. Paradise. Now, when we get to this bridge part, it goes on for a while and it's a little hard to remember what chords to play. So let me just break down. I'll just sing the whole thing for you. Just follow along with the chords, okay, and you'll see what I mean. Okay, so on 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Paradise, hold on, hold on. Leave me there, roll on, roll on. Paradise, hold on, hold on. Leave me there, roll on, roll on. Paradise, hold on, hold on. Leave me there, roll on, roll on. Paradise, hold on, hold on. Leave me there, roll on, roll on. Paradise, hold on, hold on. Leave me there, roll on, roll on. Paradise, hold on, hold on. Leave me there, roll on, roll on. But if it feels like winter that's running through the money, then you know it's on it away. Into a chorus, right? And then the whole song finishes with a chorus, pre-chorus, double chorus, okay? So again, this bridge, we have G for ages, like 4 bars, and then again, 4 bars of G, then 4 bars of C, 4 bars of G, then we have this E minor chord. Okay, so for E minor, nice and easy, right? From your G, just take your middle finger and put it under your first finger. Okay, so now it's on the D string, 2nd fret. It was here before, now it's on the D string. Okay, so E minor is 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then to finish, we're gonna have this D shape, which we already know, but bring your thumb over onto the 2nd fret, F sharp in the bass. Okay, so kind of that last part we have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then into a chorus. So again, after this bridge, we just have a chorus, it goes to another pre-chorus, and then we have a double chorus, all right? So this, I think this song's okay to play. It's not too tricky. You've got pretty much one rhythm, and there's about 4 different parts to learn, okay? So go over this video again if you need to, just quickly play along to the different sections with me. All right, and when you're ready, just get the song up on Spotify, YouTube, whatever, and have a sing, play along, all right? So thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.